Hey y'all! Hello to all of my pumpkin nails and my rehippos. We are back with another mukbang, and today is a very fruity day, y'all. So because I'm feeling so fruity, I decided to do a mukbang with fruit. We have grapes, oranges, apples, lemon and lime, and some yogurt and water. Very fruitful, y'all. If you are a new follower, okay, I would like you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video. All right. So many people out there suffer from lack of appetites, y'all, and fruit is the way to start eating, okay? Eat you some fruit. Even when you're sick, eat you some fruit. Fruit is good for you, okay? Oh, those grapes are so good. We got some oranges. You can either peel them off. I like these oranges because you can peel them, or you can just bite right into it. Woo! I think I bit that too fast. Fruit is good for a snack for the parents out there. If you undecided to what you want to give your kids for a snack, give them some fruit. You don't have to give them candy all the time. Give them some fruit. Trust me, I know. Experience. All those other snacks like candy and lollipops, they ain't good for the teeth. Very good. So that was the orange, y'all. We're gonna head over to the apples. I cut these up myself, y'all, so you know, I try to do a little something. I mean, with my food, I always try to make it look as cute as possible. I don't know, I just been like that. I like to make it look cute, dress it up and make it look edible, okay? Eatable, edible, one of those. These apples is so sweet. Very good. You know what? Fruit does have sugar in it. Fruit does. Let me tell y'all something. For some reason, since I was a child, I do not eat the end of an apple. I call it the skin. I don't know what is the skin. I just made it up. I don't eat the skin of an apple. Those apples is good, y'all. What's going on? The churn back? 5 more minutes.
She's doing a moment.
Wait.
Oh,
Listen, okay, I'm gonna pause my video.
I gotta subscribe to your YouTube channel
Right now. Like 10 more minutes.
Oh my goodness.
Look, shades on. Go, honey, go. With them, you don't have to. You can drop them off if you're going to. Kaden, go. Okay, Mom, don't make a noise because I'm back, okay?
I'm finna get ready to walk out there.
Oh, my God.
That's it. I'm gotta go to work.
Okay, Mom. Love you, too. Mom, please, give me
I'm talking about
just...
you gonna put my chicken up.
Yes, Mom.
Okay. I'm going. Love you.
Love you, too.
One more thing. I'm finna go do it. Sitting there looking like a baby doll.
Well, thank you, honey.
Bye.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. So those are Fowler Farm Sweet Tango, one word, Sweet Tango apples. Oh, magically delicious. So I am back. We're gonna try these Yoplait yogurt. This is another good snack for the kiddos. I have a garbage down there, y'all. I love me some yogurt now. Love it. So good. This is original strawberry Yoplait. This is good, y'all. Woo! Gotta have my fruit, y'all. Woo! I don't know why I do that on my videos. Like, woo! Oh yeah, y'all. About that apple. No, I'm not. I don't get paid for that. I think it's called sponsoring or something like that, but I'm just a messenger. Here to let y'all know that those apples is good. These are so good. Look at those grapes. Oh, that would be so cute. Whoop. I'm thirsty. The Sonic is my favorite water, y'all. Woo! You know what? commercials. They be like, no, but for real, that is some good water. Mm-mm-mm-mm. That's the best orange juice in the world. Okay, thank you so much to all of my pumpkin nails and my reheat poos for watching this video. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. See you guys on the next video.